How to add page to header menu in Wix Studio. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over and click right here into our horizontal menu. So one click will select the header and another click will select the horizontal menu. From in there, click onto this manage menu option that we can see right there. Then from in there, click onto this add item. And you have the option to add main pages, dynamic and app pages, links, sub-menu title, as well as mega menu. For this case, I'll head over and choose in here main pages. And then in here, I'll just add in here a particular page and it will be applied to that as well. So from in there, you should be able to add those for this. Alternatively, you can also add other pages like links if you would want. But for this case, I'll head over and then add the events page according to this. For this, it will open this window and then you can choose which page you want to add. I'll add the events page and click on done. And as you can see, here's the events. You can move that wherever you want to put it. So I'll put it on the above, on the first most corner. And as you can see, it's already been added right here. So that's how you add page to header menu in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.